A missing line of code destroyed a spacecraft. A piece of masking tape killed 70 people. And someone installed 4 NASA sensors upside down, crashing a capsule into the desert at 193 miles an hour. These aren't massive conspiracies. They're tiny, everyday mistakes that sneaked into systems with zero margin for error. I'm Mike with List 25, and these are 25 tiny scientific mistakes that became massive disasters. 25. The 150-foot Whirlpool. An oil rig in Louisiana accidentally drilled through the bottom of Lake Poigneur and straight into an active salt mine underneath it. Water rushed in, melting the salt pillars holding the ceiling up. The mine collapsed, creating a massive whirlpool that sucked down the 150-foot oil drilling rig, 11 barges, and 65 acres of land. It drained so fast, it actually reversed the flow of a canal connected to the Gulf of Mexico, creating a temporary 150-foot waterfall. Miraculously, every single worker escaped alive, but the freshwater lake was permanently replaced with salt water. 24. Draining a sea. The Aral Sea used to be the 4th largest lake in the world, but in the 1960s, Soviet engineers diverted its 2 main rivers to water cotton farms in the desert. Their calculations said the sea would survive. They were completely wrong. The sea lost over 90% of its water, turning into toxic hypersaline puddles. The exposed lake bed became a chemical wasteland that generated toxic dust storms for decades. 23. The toad invasion. In 1935, Australian scientists imported 102 cane toads from Hawaii to eat beetles that were destroying their sugarcane crops. The math made sense, except for one tiny detail. The beetles lived at the top of the sugarcane stalks, and cane toads can't jump. Instead of eating beetles, the toxic toads just spread across the country. Today, there are hundreds of millions of them, and they constantly poison native predators that never evolved to survive toad venom. 22. The 45-minute bankruptcy. Knight Capital Group updated its trading software on all its servers, except one. That single forgotten server still had an old dormant piece of code on it. When the stock market opened, that dead code woke up and started rapid-fire buying and selling millions of shares in a glitchy loop with zero human oversight. In just 45 minutes, that firm lost $440 million. That one piece of undeleted code essentially bankrupted a 17-year-old Wall Street giant in under an hour. 21. The trillion-dollar glitch. An investment firm used an automated algorithm to sell off $4.1 billion in futures contracts. The program miscalculated market liquidity and sold way too fast. High-frequency trading bots panicked at the sudden drop, triggering a massive wave of automated panic selling. In just 36 minutes, the Dow dropped 1,000 points, evaporating $1 trillion in market value before emergency circuit breakers finally paused the bleeding. 20. A number too big. In 1996, the Ariane 5 rocket launched with a $370 million scientific payload. 40 seconds later, it violently exploded. Investigators realized engineers had copy-pasted guidance software from an older, slower rocket. The new rocket flew so fast that the speed data generated a number too big to fit inside the software's memory limit. The computers completely crashed, triggering the rocket's self-destruct sequence. The worst part? That specific piece of software wasn't even supposed to be running during launch. 19. The Missing Hyphen. NASA's Mariner 1 was supposed to be America's first mission to Venus in 1962. It survived less than 5 minutes before Mission Control had to blow it up. The culprit was a single missing bar over a symbol in a handwritten math equation that got transcribed into the flight code. Without it, the computer treated normal rocket vibrations as massive emergencies, overcorrected, and sent the rocket spiraling out of control. Science fiction legend Arthur C. Clarke famously called it the most expensive hyphen in history. 18. Deadly masking tape. Before a flight took off from Lima, Peru, a cleaning crew put masking tape over the plane's static ports, the sensors that tell the computers how fast and high the plane is flying. Nobody removed the tape before takeoff, and the pilots missed it during their walk-around. Once they were flying in pitch-black darkness over the Pacific, the computers started feeding them completely garbage data. With a perfectly working airplane, but no idea where they were, the pilots accidentally flew straight into the water, killing all 70 on board. 17. Tickling the Dragon. At Los Alamos in the 1940s, physicists played a deadly game called Tickling the Dragon's tail. They would manually bring reflective materials dangerously close to a radioactive plutonium core to watch it almost go critical. Harry Daghlian died after accidentally dropping a tungsten block on it. 9 months later, Louis Slotin was doing the same experiment, holding the core open with a flathead screwdriver. Screwdriver slipped. He died 9 days later. The military eventually gave the core a new nickname, the Demon Core. 16. The Invisible River. When most gases leak, they float up and disappear. Liquefied petroleum gas is heavier than air, meaning it sinks and pools on the ground. When a storage facility in Mexico sprang a leak, the gas silently crept through the streets of a densely populated neighborhood completely undetected. It eventually hit a flare pit and ignited. The explosion set off a catastrophic chain reaction, blowing up pressurized tanks and killing over 500 people. 15. The Mirror Molecule. Molecules can come in two versions that are exact mirror images of each other, and your body reacts to them differently. In the 1950s, the morning sickness drug thalidomide hit the market. The manufacturers didn't realize their pills contained both mirror image versions. One cured morning sickness, the other severely mutilated fetal limbs. Over 10,000 children were born with missing or malformed arms and legs, permanently changing global pharmaceutical testing laws. 14. The Sinking Submarine. Spain spent hundreds of millions building a brand new state-of-the-art submarine. But during construction, engineers realized a single misplaced decimal point in the math meant the sub was up to 100 tons too heavy. If it dove, it would never be able to surface again. The only way to fix it was to literally slice the submarine in half and add 10 meters to its length, just to make it float. 13. The Fatal Phone Call. During the construction of a Kansas City hotel in the 1970s, a steel contractor called the engineers to suggest a small change to the suspended walkways. Instead of using one long support rod from the ceiling, they decided to use two shorter ones. Nobody bothered to recalculate the physics. The new design essentially doubled the weight load on a single connection point. In 1981, that connection snapped during a crowded dance, collapsing the walkways and killing 114 people. It's crazy how quick a phone call can cause that much destruction. Let me know in the comments. What's the worst mistake you've ever made following a blueprint or set of instructions? Because my IKEA furniture always ends up with extra parts. 12. Ignoring the alarm. At a massive Russian hydroelectric plant, vibration sensors on turbine 2 were screaming that the machine was running at 700% over the safety limit. Engineers ignored it for months. The intense shaking caused severe metal fatigue, eventually snapping the bolts holding the turbine down. The 816-ton spinning turbine violently ejected itself through the ceiling, flooding the room with high-pressure water, destroying the plant, and killing 75 people. 11. Upside-down sensors. NASA's Genesis mission spent 3 years collecting solar wind in deep space. When the capsule re-entered Earth's atmosphere, the parachutes were supposed to deploy so a helicopter could catch it mid-air. Instead, parachutes never fired, and the $260 million capsule slammed into the Utah desert at 193 miles an hour. Investigators found the sensors meant to trigger the parachutes had been drawn upside down on the blueprints. They were built upside down. Nobody noticed for 3 entire years. 10. The Missing Thruster. America's first space station, Skylab, was supposed to stay in orbit until at least 1983, but scientists failed to predict a massive solar storm that expanded Earth's atmosphere outward. The extra atmospheric drag started pulling Skylab down way faster than expected. The ultimate oversight? NASA never installed a backup thruster to boost the station's altitude because their math said they wouldn't need one. With no way to steer it, Skylab crashed into Australia 4 years early. 9. The Student's Catch. An undergraduate architecture student was studying New York City Corp's Skyline building when she asked the chief engineer if they accounted for diagonal winds hitting the corners of the skyscraper. They hadn't. Worse, builders had secretly swapped strong welded joints for cheaper bolts. The combination meant a strong hurricane would absolutely topple the building into Manhattan. Crews had to secretly weld steel plates over the weak spots in the middle of the night to save the skyscraper, keeping the public entirely in the dark. 8. Galloping Gertie. When the Tacoma Narrows Bridge opened, it bounced and swayed so violently in the wind that people called it Galloping Gertie. Engineers insisted it was perfectly safe. It wasn't. The solid side panels acted like giant sails, catching the wind and twisting the bridge until the main span literally ripped itself apart and collapsed into the water. Today, wind tunnel testing is mandatory for bridges, specifically because of this exact mistake. 7. The vine that ate the South. In the 1930s, the US government paid farmers to plant an Asian vine called kudzu to stop soil erosion. The problem is, they forgot to check if the vine had any natural predators in America. It didn't. Kudzu exploded, growing up to a foot a day. It now blankets over 7 million acres of the American South, suffocating trees, native plants, and entire forests by stealing their sunlight. 6. The architectural death ray. Frank Gehry's Walt Disney Concert Hall in LA is an architectural masterpiece covered in curved polished metal. But when it first opened, those panels acted like giant magnifying glasses, focusing intense beams of sunlight directly onto the surrounding neighborhood. It heated nearby apartments by 15 degrees Celsius, melted plastic on the sidewalks, and blinded drivers. Crews eventually had to sand down the metal to stop the building from cooking the city. 5. The two-ruler ship. In 1628, Sweden launched the Vasa, the most powerful warship of its time. It sailed about 1,300 meters before it tipped over and sank. When archaeologists pulled it up 300 years later, they realized the ship was physically lopsided. The shipyard had employed 2 different teams to build it, Swedish carpenters using a 12-inch foot, and Dutch workers using an 11-inch foot. Building opposite sides of a ship with different rulers created a fatally unstable boat. 4. The popping tiles. The stunning opera house in Valencia, Spain, features a massive steel roof covered in beautiful ceramic mosaic tiles. The designers completely ignored basic physics. Steel expands in the heat. Ceramic tile doesn't. Every time the temperature shifted, the steel moved, rubbing against the rigid tiles until they started violently popping off the building. They had to redesign the entire adhesive system just to account for thermal expansion. 3. The Brittle Clay. A massive dam holding back toxic mining sludge in Spain suddenly collapsed, poisoning a major river and wiping out thousands of acres of farmland. The engineers had modeled the underground clay as a flexible material that would slowly bend under pressure. In reality, the clay was incredibly brittle. It held strong until it simply snapped without warning, sliding the entire dam sideways and causing a decades-long ecological nightmare. 2. The flooded generator. During a massive storm in 1982, operators at Spain's Tus Dam tried to open the spillway gates to relieve pressure, but the main power had failed. They went to turn on the backup generator, only to discover nobody had waterproofed it. It was already underwater and completely dead. With zero power, they couldn't open the gates. The water topped the dam, destroyed the structure, and unleashed a flood that killed thousands of people. 1. The deadly code. In the 1980s, a computer-controlled radiation therapy machine called the Therac 25 was built to treat cancer patients. To save money, the creators removed the physical safety locks and relied entirely on software to protect the patient. But the code had a hidden timing glitch. If a nurse typed commands slightly too fast, the machine would fire a massive unfiltered beam of radiation, 250 times the lethal limit, straight into the patient. The computer screen claimed everything was perfectly fine. Several people died simply because an engineer trusted cheap code over physical padlock. But if you think these scientific accidents were bad, I break down 25 history-altering disasters in the video on your screen right now, so click it. As always, I'm Mike Estrin. Stay curious, and I'll see you over there.